Conscious choosing for flow training is built upon the formula for flow. Applying the formula for flow is like sand sifting through an hourglass, where the sands are what we individually experience, like judgments, disagreements, and conflict, or connection and flow. The skill for connection, represented at the top of the hourglass, is the process that transforms conflict into creativity by turning disconnection into connection with our fellow human beings by consciously choosing curiosity about observations, feelings, and needs. To connect, we must first slow down, focus on and clearly state what was observed, being curious about the facts of a situation instead of unconsciously relying on our knee-jerk meanings we state as facts. We let the meaning we created about a situation filter through the first step of the skill for connection, which is consciously choosing curiosity about observations to truly identify the facts. This brings clarity and reality to a situation and is the first step towards building connection with others. Next, our feelings are used as a directional guide or GPS to our needs. This is key to our connection, since we all have feelings that point to whether our needs have been met or not. At the core of our human connection are our individual needs. Unmet needs drive the judgments, disagreements, and conflict in any situation. Once we name the need, we are no longer serving the conflict but are now serving the need. The bottleneck in the hourglass represents where the sands continue to flow through to the bottom. This is where the connection we built with others during the skill for connection will impact the results we obtain during the group dynamics of the STAR process for results. Once connection is established, we start at step 1 of the STAR process to stop and get clarity of purpose and direction as a group by identifying individual, team, and organizational needs and the shared goal we'll work on together to meet the needs identified. Then at step 2, we think to brainstorm strategies or solutions that will help us most effectively reach our shared goal. At step 3, we act and make requests for commitments on the strategies we'll use to reach the shared goal. This is where we walk the talk to confirm what is committed to, who is doing what, when it will be done, and then we set a follow-up to confirm the commitment was completed on time and to the agreed upon standards. Step 4 is the final step where we review to determine what to stop, modify, or start in order to help us fine-tune relationships, processes, and actions to get the results we most want to reach the shared goal. This simple hourglass analogy helps us remember when we are experiencing conflict, confusion, or stress to slow down, get focused, and curious about observations, feelings, and needs in order to turn disconnection into connection so that we can most effectively work together through the STAR process for results. Using this process will optimize results achieved for any project or initiative.